In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. Let's get started without wasting so much time. And kindly remember to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake or miss a step, okay? Let us click on the Facebook application, then refresh the app. Then we need to click on the three bars at the top right. Then we'll click on the gear icon, this one here. It will take us to settings and privacy. Then we need to click on Meta Account Center. Now scroll down and click on personal details. Now click on account ownership and control. Now click on deactivation or deletion. Then click on this arrow here. Then click on delete account. Then click continue. Then click continue once again. Deleting this account will also delete the pages associated with the account. Click continue. Then give a reason why you're deleting your account. Okay, this is very ridiculous, but just give them a reason. You can say that I spent too much time on Facebook. Then click continue. Then click continue once again. Then Facebook will tell you to delete your post instead of deleting your account, but you've already decided to delete the account. Okay, now just scroll down and click continue. Okay, now you will enter your password, and from here you will be able to successfully delete your Facebook account.